Physics. Physics is that branch of physical science in which matter and energy mutually interact with each other. General physics. Quantity, measurements, and errors. Quantity. Anything whose representation is totally numerical is called quantity. Example: ages of man, weights of objects. Physical quantity. Quantities that are expressed in terms of laws of physics is called physical quantity. Example: force, speed, distance. These physical quantities are of two types: vector, scalar. Vector: those physical quantities which have both magnitude and direction and which are represented by the directed line segment obeying the triangle law of vectors. Parallelogram law of vectors are called vectors. Example: displacement, linear momentum, torque. A physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction but which does not obey vector laws of addition, subtraction is not a vector quantity. Example: electric current, pressure, work. Also, there are certain physical quantity which are used both as scalars and vectors. Simply area is treated as a scalar while normal area is treated as a vector. Scalars: those physical quantities which have magnitude only and whose direction is not taken into the consideration are called scalars. Example: mass, density, work. Units of measurement: to measure any quantity, a definite and substantial amount of that quantity is assumed to be a standard, which is called unit of quantity, and when any given quantity is measured in the terms of this unit, the process is called measurement. There are usually two types of units: fundamental units, derived units. Fundamental units, they are 7 in number. They are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substance. Derived units: if a physical quantity is expressed in terms of two or more fundamental units, then these are called derived units. These units have no independent existence like fundamental units. Example: force, momentum, work. System of units: usually physical quantities are measured in four system of units. CGS system: length, mass, time. Centimeter, gram, second. FPS system: length, mass, time. Foot, pound, second. MKS system: length, mass, time. Meter, kilogram, second. SI systems: international system of units. In the International Conference on Weight and Measures held at Geneva in 1960, the SI system of units was adopted and accepted on the basis of a comprehensive consensus. SI system is extended form of SI systems.